wind carries whispers, soft and low, through terraces carved in the earth below. Gangster rings out its voice so wide, calling the world to the mountainside. Bells over the rice terraces, hear them sing a hymn of love for the newborn king. Under the stars where the fields find peace, they call us together where worry cease. The lanterns sway, casting golden light, 100 steps glow in the velvet night. From faraway places they've come to see the birth of a Savior beneath the banyan tree. Oh, the sound, how it climbs the air like a prayer, like a prayer. Bells over the rice terraces, hear them sing a hymn of love for the newborn king. Under the stars where the fields find peace, they call us together where worry cease. Steel strings hum with the song of the hills, sleigh bells shimmer, the night gently stills. The terraces glow, a choir of stone, and the world feels a little less alone. Bells over the rice terraces, hear them sing a hymn of love for the newborn